I'm here at Bergerson Boat Company in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin with Lars Bergerson, who is going to show us a 1936 16-foot Chris Craft double cockpit.
Well, good morning, Lars here. So another pre-war boat. This one has been fully restored. Everything, upholstery, done in the original material. Let's see here, we got original Stewart-Warner gauges, all restored. This boat has a 5200 bottom. It has a beautiful trailer. So this trailer actually is a Phoenix, which I really like. You can see here they have that sort of a cutout, laser cut out of the steel. I used to be more of a fan of post-war boats, but I've been starting to like these. I actually have one of these myself. Anyways, let's go around here. We're gonna go check out the engine here. So let me climb up. So originally these things all they came with the Chris Craft Model B engine, which is a 4-cylinder. This one actually has a Gray Marine 60, so this would be a 60 horse 4-popper. See it here. Actually, I like these engines. They sound nice. They kind of remind me of the Chrysler. This one has a lot of updates on it. One of the things I like to see is we got the fuel water separator right there. Fuel tank looks original. All the wiring is all cloth, but it's all been replaced, so everything looks really in great shape. Look at this, we got our auxiliary propulsion. Let's see here. Here's the plaques on it. You can see this. So they call it 16-foot double cockpit. This upholstery, I can tell who did it because it's really nice. This was done by Geneva Upholstery. Perfect. They actually thickened the cushions a little bit, because a lot of times when you're in these boats, you're sitting so low you could barely see over the steering wheel. So this is kind of a plus. I love these old keys too. All original. Horn here, throttle, your reverse gear. So you can see here, I'll kind of show you why this is a no soak bottom. So if you look here, we got a plywood core. So this was redone. This would have had diagonal boards in it originally. So basically, and you can see right here in the corners here, you can see a little bit of the 5200 that had oozed out on the chines here. So it looks like it's been done right. It's a good job. All in all, a great boat, especially for somebody that wants to kind of travel and take it to boat shows. I mean, the trailer is perfect. Just be an easy, fun boat.